Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's morning show. All right, after the match we Arsenal played yesterday, so Thierry Henry will be one of our Arsenal legends. So Baba Kodi talk say with everything we don't see, there are three favorites to win this Champions League. You can mention Arsenal, Bayern, and PSG. So now these three teams, him sees will win this Champions League. The report was put out by the Metro. Thierry Henry names three favorites to win Champions League after huge Arsenal win because Arsenal used Atletico Madrid cook pepper soup. Now, Thierry Henry revealed his three favorites to win the Champions League after Arsenal were dominant in their victory against Atletico Madrid. So when you read the entirety of the report, Heading say Thierry Henry spoke about Arsenal in a very high terms and obviously put them beside Bayern, PSG in terms of favorites for this competition. Now, she said, she asked Jimmy Carragher to take for his take on Arsenal Champions League. After Henry don't talk you on, Carragher said can't talk you on again. So, but me personally, I think Henry is spot on, 100% spot on, because when you see, in fact, are they keenly interested? No, say for this our group stage, we go still face Bayern. I think at the Emirates Stadium, that match is going to be very, very like. Are they interested to see what's going to happen for that match, the outcome? Because Bayern are one of the superpowers currently now. Bayern they flog anybody now. They score goals with reckless abandon now. So it will be interesting to see one of the best attacking superpowers against one of the best defending superpowers. So we'll see how the dynamics will play out. Yes. So I'm interested in seeing what will happen there. Now, for Messi also, what do you talk about this game? So you can talk about the Champions League, you talk about Manchester City, talk about Arsenal do very, very well. Yes, we feel it's going to score back. But one thing when you can talk with strike me now, when you talk about Manchester City, you can say Eliala and Nine they carry this team, they move them. Say if Eliala get injury, Man City no go finish for top 4 because now one man riot dem be now only him and e no good. Get me? It be say now only one person dey score. What if something happens to that one person? Wetin the rest team go come do? So now wetin Paul Messi dey talk, and me sef e resonated with me. I subscribe to that line of thought. Get, but or maybe not even injury sef. What if the player can get a bad day at the office? Because obviously sometimes you go just get bad day, your chance no go enter. What if it happens? Well, when that time reach, you go know. So TNT Sports, Arsenal never lost or conceded in the Champions League group stage game at the Emirates Stadium under Mikel Arteta. That's a very good statistics to learn. Now, more news plenty to do, so I will try to hasten them up. But when I look at it from my side, this today news will enter like 30 minutes. Guys, the watcher, just bear with me. Now, Sky Sports Football. When they say Liverpool want to sign 75 million rated Antoine Semenyo as a potential replacement for Mohamed Salah, according to the Independents. Now, Manchester United also they interested in a loan move for Real Madrid forward Hendrick, according to the Sun. They say this Semenyo, many people they were interested in this guy. Number one, people we will say they already put money down. We talk now more sport. Their owner they already put 100 million down. Say this guy now will get that 100 million, don't drop and down already. So whether at the end of the day, Spurs 9 will get that, or Liverpool don't they see the handwriting on the wall say Salah old age on the come. Yes, old age on the setting. So there is this expectation that Salah will not be here next season. Say after this season, the way Man City take just pursue Kevin De Bruyne and some other people, now so themselves will just tell Salah, okay, bye. You don't try again. People will look for a younger player. Let us see what we can build moving forward. And when that does happen, no matter how important or how clinical Semenyo did this season, almost Semenyo will get that fear factor of Salah. Salah no dey score. That fear factor still dey based on who he be, based on historical antecedents wey he don do already. Yeah, so that one sef dey more just dey watch how all these things go dey play out as they watch whether Arsenal go even dey involved, because some people don't even know that Semenyo is an Arsenal fan. So there's a possibility that Arsenal might even come in the way they came in for a very cheesy. Like in the beginning, you'll be like say They no day. When the matter most, Arsenal will just come in. How far? Yeah, my Burnley, come here, come out. Yeah, this one now our boy MB. Now, away from that, Chris Whitley when they put out waiting Ateta they talk about Miles Lewis scan. So Ateta say if you look at it from what Miles Skelly has done from December last year to now, at his age, at this level, it's incredible. But I've said it before, he's been really focused, really humble, and really good. I thought it was really good today. I'm not gonna lie for that match. The first half, I think the ball already did Miles Skelly, but the people when they get their reservations. So when I'm going to bring in Calafiori, but the second half, like we always say, not to have Saiko, Ateta already discussed with them for the dressing room, tell them what to do, change some kind of things. Miles Skelly came into the second half a different player to the point where they say Calafiori did not need to be disturbed. You get Calafiori just rest, making fully day focus on Crystal Palace game. That's the reason. So they don't need to disturb her. See that drive enter the midfield, free Martinelli, Baba Boss net, get. Now what we know Matthew Skelly to do, get. So if they happen like that, sometimes when you prepare for the first half, the opponent will counter you. For the second half, people need to reshuffle, get. Come on with a different plan, and everywhere will go good for you. So I just be very, very happy on how Carapi see everybody singing his praises. I'm just very happy, and the coach said they very, very happy with her, get. Now let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mr. Jonas, who has this Acura ZDX 2010 model. The mileage is 118,203 kilometers. It's 100% accident-free vehicle, extremely clean, slightly locally used. Now the location where this car is now with Imo State. The price is 12 million naira. So if you're interested in this piece of beauty, you can call Mr. Jonas, as you can see the number on the screen, 003938464. So write down the number and call him if you're interested. These are other pictures of this car. Now, away from that, when you check the Arsenal website, you will see this story where the dog say, Ateta the dog say courage was key in big win against Atletico Madrid. We needed to be courageous. Now, when you read the entirety of this particular report, you'll stumble upon this section. We talked about it against a team that is so organized. For the dressing room, the players, Ateta, they discuss. Now, to disorganize this team that is organized, you have to do something that is not in the book. And we cannot do it through just passing and just creating patterns. No. You have to do it by finding that inspiration, those magic moments that we generated throughout the game in different ways. I'm really happy that the team can step up and create those moments. It's a low-scoring sport, so we need to be the best defensively, the best in attack. That means to be able to score from different angles, from different ways, from different players. We are certainly improving in that category as well. I think the overall performance was incredible. The way we dominated and we earned the right to win it, and then the efficiency, which at this level in the Champions League is something key. That they bust my head sometimes with some kind of bars when they draw. Get. We need to disorganize the organized team. Everybody knows that Atletico Madrid, they very, very organized. You get, easy to beat them. That is why immediately we score our first goal. I keep saying it. The only way to disorganize teams that play low block or mid block is just to score our first goal. Once you score our first goal, they will change their shape. Immediately we score our first goal, they change their shape, and the rest is history. That is just key. That is just the secret. No two ways about it. That is why set piece is a very important weapon, because set piece they nullify anybody. Whether you come with low press or low block or high block or mid block or set piece will nullify you. Yes. Then you go back to your normal formation. So that would just really, really help us. I like the fact that Ateta said all these things. They're very, very happy. Now onto Gyökeres. We come in and it's called the brace. So Gyökeres going to talk for the Arsenal website for the interview. I watched the video. He's saying they're very, very hungry to keep scoring. You get because Babak prays in teammates. You get contact say it's always amazing to score goals, and to do it here in this competition is a great feeling. I'm more hungry now. You always want to contribute with work rates and other stuff, but when you score goals as well, it's a bit special. So that's something I always want to do. The support from my teammates, it means a lot. They are amazing. I think this group that we have and the spirit is something different and something very, very special. It feels great We did a lot of things right today, and the performance was very, very amazing. Now, end there. We're not going to talk about because they're going to have to say, okay, after the first half, when I can go for the dressing room, wetin Arteta dey tell una, wetin tell una, we ginger una, we motivate una, when I come outside, una come turn a different team. We couldn't want to say at halftime, the message was to keep doing and to keep going, and then of course some adjustments in certain things. But I think we did well in the first half and keep doing the right things, and then of course finish your chances when they come, because obviously the chances will come. When you win games and you do these performances, it builds confidence in the team. The belief has to always be there, of course. This helps to boost it. We just want to keep going like this again. So Baba talk. In fact, I was one of the happiest, if not the happiest person, Arsenal fan. Say Gyökeres score 2 goals, bringing carry that momentum, enter for Crystal Palace. See the power with the guy they use it, and get another thing one notice. No, they know the gang back Sakai. This Atletico Madrid, they know gang back up. The company like say all the focus was on Gyökeres, because many of the times when they see Saka go over, and one person they do with him. Nothing like Gango gets. So now one person. The focus was on Gyökeres. They keep their defenders busy. Everybody knows say in the very, very dangerous. That's why they need to really give them space. But even the person who call them more freer, maybe Martinelli. And I think when our guy might be mentioned this in the full-time analysis show, that he was freer, and at the end of the day, he utilized his chances where it mattered the most. That is why when they talk, say maybe Martinelli stay for bench. Okay, they play cameo appearances, 15-20 minutes. Then when they don't stay there, observe. When they come put up, he go fight for the shirt. He go play very, very well. He go no say, Trossard said they bow, and I like what Arteta is doing. Those who know they play regularly for the Premier League, if he puts up a Champions League, he let them play at least a substantial amount of time, if not 90 minutes. Look at Matthew Scully, for example. Look at Martinelli, for example. At least then will feel say, yes, we are among. Because we are part of the squad, we are part of the team. Yes. And I'll be happy to say we still see Nogard. Nogard come and say, see when Mosquera enter, see Agbara, see Ginger everywhere. I say, oh, see Mosquera. As the guy goes there, say, hey, I was we'll get him. Yesterday, see people they come from bench, Ben White. I say, these are men. They come from bench, they enter, see Merino. As in, you go no say yes, like what the Oga no talk yesterday. They go they bring person come out, they put another person. You go if you say, this person they bring come. Say, okay, imagine I might scale the play, see how fantastic he was. But in the pecking order of left backs, it's not number one. Now what is the call squad depth with this? Like I think it was Oga Said Abina, Oga Abiola, where they talk say Atletico Madrid mention like 13 players for the substitute. We call it talk say don't be to mention players now. I mean the quality. If you mention 7, but your own 7 are men. If you mention 12 or 13, when I shit back at that. So that will be the key. Yeah, so I just did very, very happy. Now, I don't go to the Arsenal website. I saw the Mikel Arteta and post-match press conference, the transcript. It is ready. So let us unpack it and dive into it. All right. So the first question we're going to ask Arteta now, on building on tonight's performance in the competition. Arteta said, I'm extremely happy and proud of the performance and the results against a really good side. I was very impressed when I analyzed them and what I've seen today about them as well. So I knew about the difficulty of it. It required a lot of aggression and a lot of patience as well. And the way we managed the context of the game and the way they can manipulate their behavior was really impressive. With being 0-0 at halftime, even though we generated 2-3 big chances, we have to stay patient. But at the same time, increase a little bit, set some areas to damage them more. We've done it. And then in this competition, I think we were very effective as well. So I think I said we have to be aggressive. That buttresses my points in the full-time analysis where I talk. So we create like first half was almost only like 2-0 up. At the end of the day, we created 6 big chances. We relegated Atletico Madrid to 1 shot on goal. The same Atletico Madrid that got 7 shots on goal against Real Madrid and they beat Madrid 5-2. This is the same thing. When I come outside the time and I talk, say, if Arteta did for La Liga, there is no way where Arteta will go 5 seasons. He no go don't win the league. If Arteta this Arsenal team now, Arteta carry and go La Liga there, Ajay will win the league like we will dominate that place. That place will dominate them. We will win like water. Don't be Atletico way Madrid and all this one. If they play, they will struggle. So look at the play sheets. And they talk and say we know the Liverpool. Liverpool struggled against Atletico Madrid from 2-0 down to 2-2. But we don't see the chance. What even suits me now? That one will be say Julian Alvarez carry ball in with Magalhaes 1v1. Magalhaes calm down. Magalhaes dey run before come calm down, slow, near. So yeah, do your mind. I did here. Do I go react? I said time to dribble Magalhaes follow us. I think I would pace. Just come. Baba no see space. Baba carry ball, go back. I say confirm. You never say anything. We get team. This is our time. They I go say make God do it for us. Everybody say believe in God. So not be by God. Now luck. Yes, now luck. May luck just be on our side. Now, on Victor Gyökeres is getting back in amongst the goals. Ateta said, I think he deserved it because everything that we are saying in terms of what he was bringing to the team and how much he was helping the team in many areas apart from scoring goals in the last few weeks, there was no debate about that. It was about keeping that belief in himself, that emotional state that he can enjoy and play freely. I think he's certainly done that today. Again, he was rewarded with 2 goals and the biggest smile on his face. Look at his teammates as well in the pictures and videos. They are also happy for him because he fully deserves it. And no be lie, because when the guy scored, the guy quickly do celebration. He can't stop. Magalhaes kind of said, "Oh God, go do your celebration for your fans." The guy can go do. Magalhaes said, "Full out they do your celebration." Magalhaes they do for here. Baba they do it for here. So they just run up. Even for the press conference, I'm going to ask Gyökeres, they say, why were you reluctant to do your celebration? I say, don't be say I did reluctant at VAR because let's not be that I go to overdo. Later VAR can't say no be go. So I wanted to be patient to confirm and ensure that it was a goal. To avoid making all the trends for social media. Say, see this one, you never scored this celebrate. Before mad you get. Now, on the players' reaction to nearly going the goal down. Now remember that time we say Julian Alvarez will wind that ball with jump back. With jump back. So he said yes, you can sense it. Every time that the front line was running with a bit of space and time in and around the box, they have the quality, they win a lot of games like that with individual actions and they believe in that. He hits the crossbar, thank God. And after that's how we scored not far from there. And as I say thank God, but now some people say thank God because if I get crazy. Because when you listen to the pre-match analysis show, I said it that this game goes sweet if Arsenal first score. Anything make Atletico Madrid first score, forget it. You see that Molue, they don't really pack them the way we expect them to pack them. If say them first score, and then you go see that Molue hold it. Now, on responding to critics of Arsenal's style of play, based on Corner FC, based on this, based on that, we are boring. Oh, Jamie O'Hara yesterday said Arsenal don't kill Premier League, that we killed free-flowing football, that everybody now is playing long ball because of Arsenal. So now we start out. So even Tottenham Hotspur they do and Brentford they do, everybody. Then I will start out. Now, Ateta said, this is more about the results of the game. The way we prepare the matches is always to try and help the opponents as much as possible, as frequently as possible, putting the players that we believe have the best capacity and qualities to do it from the beginning. And then this is football. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Today, we are extremely efficient, which is key in this competition. And I'm really, really happy. You see all those people cry about set pieces. Now, because their team know they're efficient for set pieces. That is the only way me and they look at. If to say their team they as efficient as Arsenal they go be very, very happy. Like JB Carragher said yesterday, Arsenal they use psychological warfare to the point where they say anytime we want to play, everybody go they assume say na goal it go be. Like the expectation is that if it be goal, when I don't turn penalty, if you say Arsenal fit score here. In fact, if they talk say you go hold the hand for your hands. You go put the head for your hand, say, make Arsenal score. Based on say, in they hate watch us. Even we as fans, if it happen, all of us they assume say, Arsenal this score with this corner. In fact, somebody said, if Arsenal don't play like 3 or 4 corners, they never score, you will start to the vex. Because that entitlement mentality don't they say, by the time Arsenal play like 3-4 corners, goal supposed to enter. I don't know that they do some of it. Also, somebody told me that. So they don't play like 3 or 4, they never score. We run the vex. So what's the happen? I was supposed to score like this now. Corner. Maybe say some people they play like 100, 50, they never score one goal. You get. But we don't turn them to the normal level. Yeah, so that one is good. So it's okay. Now on the difference in this Champions League campaign compared to last season. So Baba say, I think the majority of the experience and the fact that probably we have more games in the competition, we believe, because we have some success. Well, this one not today that notable. We can enter another question. Now, on having to select a team with the squad depth, it's a very good. I think Marcus Kelly and the Ramagales were superb. The impact, especially Agabi, I think this should be Martinelli also. The impact, the team, the results, they were ready from the beginning. So the boys that's coming again and use them in different ways, I think we need to try and keep them all involved. And even if they have a chance to play, and if they play at that level, it's a joy because it's going to evaluate our daily training sessions. That will mean the standard will be higher and we will compete better. Now, on Marcus Kelly's performance, so if you look at it from what he has done, okay, I think I've taken this story early on. If I'm Roman will drop out. Yes. So on whether the competition for places pushes the team, this is what we need. And when you look at the top teams in Europe, that's what they have. We have to manage that in a really cohesive system when everybody understands that they are going to have different roles throughout the game or in different games. But at the end, the outcome is to earn the right to win games and to win games. That's the ultimate goal, and we are seeking the same thing. Okay, so now we're seeing Baba just talk. Now, finally, they got to ask him, say, okay, the work with Ukraine is the putting on the work. They say all of it because it makes us a much better team. I think we've become much better, unpredictable. He's so physical. He opens the spaces for everybody. The way he presses the ball, nods the ball, holds the ball rather, is just phenomenal. And then there's the icing on the cake, and the biggest thing that we are going to debate about him is goals. He has scored two very different ones today, and hopefully he starts to get some momentum and a good run of goals. And which I think that top percent are true because you can't argue Gyökeres's work rate. Perfect. The only thing if you argue, say never do more, now goals. And for me, I would say he just they unlucky because there's some games you wonder how has he not scored. Like you wonder. Okay, look at the kind of goals he scored. Scrappy goals. But then the end of the day, Nasti goals, but it's still goals, 2 goals to his name. So Nasti is something good. Now, that's the end of the Arteta's press conference. I just pick some notable areas that we'll just unpack. Now, away from that, Jamie Carragher has been forced to change his Arsenal verdict after Atletico Madrid trashing again. So, Baba said we talk about the Champions League, who go win, I'm going to go win. So he said, I've said it before on this show. He was saying this on the CBS Golazo show. I've said it before on this show that I've never had Arsenal down as a Champions League club. I know that might sound obvious because they've never won it before, but I've always thought there's something about them that doesn't connect. They've never really gone close. Thierry Henry's Arsenal team were the best team I ever played against in the Premier League, and even that team didn't come close enough to win in the Champions League. It wasn't that team that got to the Champions League final. Now, right now, I think Arsenal and Bayern are two most impressive teams I've seen when you look at their performances domestically, what they are doing in the Champions League. Carragher was saying this on the CBS Golazo show. I don't look at this team now and see how strong they are defensively. My Liverpool team that won the Champions League in 2005, we are not a great attacking team, but we are strong defensively. Now, that always gives you a chance, especially when you get to the knockout stages and the two-legged ties. If you are strong defensively, you've always got the chance. So yeah, I see Arsenal as one of the 4 or 5 teams that can win this competition. Yes, now waiting Carragher the top. And this, if I don't go lie for you, I share the same line of thoughts. I'm even surprised that Carragher did this objective talking about Arsenal. It's crazy. Now, Sky Sports when they ask one question: Arsenal 4 to the Arsenal, 0 to Atletico Madrid. Is anyone capable of stopping Mikel Arteta's side if they keep playing like this? Is anyone capable of stopping Mikel Arteta's side? The people who everybody believes they will stop us, the almighty Man City, came and defended like their lives depended on it for a reason, because this is not the Arsenal you used to know. This is a different Arsenal. In fact, this is the best time to be an Arsenal fan. It's the best time. We are enjoying. Like Oga Abiola will talk, we don't suffer too much, but we enjoy. Now our time is this, and let our efforts be crowned at the end of the season. Very, very key. You see this question which Sky was asked. Paul Merson asked this question far back. He talks say if no be say Liverpool use free kick beat Arsenal, everybody go dey ask, can anybody stop Arsenal? Can anybody? A team that does not allow you get a shot on goal, how you wan come take score? Even when you get a shot on goal, they relegate you to few 1, 2. How you wan come take score? That is the crazy part. See Julian Alvarez with the horse, Baba no see road. See Solot. In fact, now after when I come dey watch the El Cholo press conference, El Cholo come dey talk say the reason we make am put Solot na to defend set piece. And Solot did the job I asked him to do. Say people will wonder why he go start Julian Alvarez and Solot at the same time. Because Solot is a top player and he can help them out defensively against Arsenal's Gabriel Magalhaes. But at the end of the day, it still did not work. You get? Because like Martin Keown was saying, you will see Gabriel Magalhaes. You know he's good at set pieces. You know he wants to attack the set pieces. You know he scores against other teams. You don't want him to score against your team. But you don't have anything. You can't do anything to stop it. You know that this corner is coming. Rice is putting the ball here. You are looking at Magalhaes. This Magalhaes wants to come and attack this ball, but you cannot stop it. That is the force, not just an ordinary force, the aggressive force where Arsenal they carry the come. Why we not go there perfect in set pieces? When you lot pack the balls when you want to play against us, you can't start complaining. When people want to play against us, they come and change their shape. If you they complain, let me say we will go right like a pistol on our experience facing the blocks. How many you face? We will go write a piece too. Open your books of lamentation. You they complain. So what's it about this guy's body? Because this is a very, very important question. When I saw that question, I just smile. Now, look, I think I've taken this particular story. No need to come and take that one. Let's move on. So now, this other story too. I've taken it. So according to within El Cholo also said. So when they talk about the game, they say Arsenal actually took their chances. You get? Say them, their own chances, they don't really take up. So now be one of the areas where we say they come short there because Arsenal take their chances and themselves they make a lot of mistakes. You get? Nobody just talk plenty. This I can't pity for them. Say, hey, yeah, you get? So if they happen, that's so football they be sometimes. Get? Sometimes you enjoy, sometimes you don't enjoy. All right, let's bring you a message from another of our sponsor who has this Toyota RAV4. This is 2007 Toyota RAV4 American spec. This is a Tokumbo car. There's 6-cylinder engines, 5-seater. Then the mileage is 110,225. The location is Lagos. Very, very affordable. So Mr. Uche wants to sell the car for 10 million naira. So if you're interested in this Toyota RAV4, call Mr. Uche on +234 70388 6966. 7, and he has other pictures of the car for me to show you. If you're interested in this clean car, please give him a call. You can see the number at the bottom of the screen, so write it down if you are interested in this piece of beauty. So that's what it just be. Now, one of the Atletico Madrid players, I think Jimenez, when they complain about the game, say the referee make mistake. You get, but they talk say that first goal where Arsenal score, look at the guys know. The free kick will lead to that goal. The referee is supposed to blow that free kick. Give Arsenal. Maybe say Martinelli entangled himself with Jimenez, so of them come forward down. So the say they're supposed to blow that free kick. Yes. So Jose Jimenez claimed a referee mistake proved to be the turning point in Arsenal 4-0 Champions League win against Atletico Madrid. Yes. So the story just is somehow funny. So when you read the entirety of the report, they say the 1-0 is left us feeling weak, and with the second goal it was another desperate game and we couldn't find our feet. We are playing the Champions League. There are situations that make or break matches, and this kind of details in such close games are decided by small details. It's not exactly my responsibility, but it has more influence than you might imagine. Now, moving on to the report, Jimenez, however, argued that referee David Massa should never have awarded the free kick to Arsenal in the first place when Gabriel Martinelli tumbled under what the defender argued was minimal pressure. He said it was a controlled game, but we controlled the play. But they pressed very well. They always play one-on-one, but we couldn't find the connections. We struggled to play, to get out of the back with the ball clean. Credit to them. We have to focus on ourselves and improve for what is coming next. And the goal came from a foul. The goal came from a foul that wasn't a foul. Now, you get what Jimenez stop. We don't turn into a recurrent theme, a recurrent speech. everybody will play Arsenal, they get this, like majority of those who play Arsenal this season, so they get this same mindset. Arsenal don't let us play. And I don't hear that thing before, not once, not twice, not thrice. Say Arsenal no dey let teams play. Based on the way we press like we are hungry lions going to devour you. You get? Why you go come play? This is a point you come play with the Jones for you. One win lead. So we don't care about your feelings. The way they press, I said it, I think it was yesterday, say the way we press, we force you to go long. So this is what you can do. And when you go long, we have top players to knock the ball down to our own players. We usually get the second balls. I never see any match we play, we say the opponent then they get all the second balls. Like majority of the second balls, now we always get that. So when I read something like this, to me it's not a surprise. Now our normal modus operandi with that. Get, we stop you from playing your normal play. That is why I say Arteta is a control freak. Arteta controls the way we play and controls the way you play. By doing that, he ensures you don't get into threatening positions to hurt us. You don't get shot on goal. In fact, very soon now when they count how many shots off targets people will get, because do you know that we don't allow people to shoot from our box 18. You know, the observer, we don't give you that space and time to shoot. That's why people they hurriedly shoot, and when they hurriedly shoot off targets, you know, they give you that space. What we do it? You get. So when I read the report from Jose, I say, well, welcome to the EPL. You get. Now get luck, say no be La Liga we did. You will dominate La Liga. Now, apart from that, Koki said, Jimenez, another of him player, Koki, when they talk about the game. So quickly when they talk, say we had the game under control, but they made it 1-0 from a set piece. We could have tied it to Julian's chance, that chance with Jamba. And in 3 plays, they scored the next 3 goals. We had more control in the second half than in the first half, and they hurt us more. Why did they have more control? Because they decided to come out. And when you come out against Arsenal, we will outplay you. That's the truth. That's why people don't like coming out. So as they came out, they saw, yes. So now it's just the message with that. So that's why when people play against us in a low block style, don't be surprised. They know, say, when they come outside, the probability of them winning against us is close to below 50. Honestly, you get below. So they will not do that. Instead, focus on the chance. Low block, counter attacks, and see where they will take score against us. So it just be. Now, away from that, Martin Pio when they name one ridiculous Arsenal star, where they say you know if you stop. Now that's why they tell us. So Pio talk say Arsenal centre back and Magalhaes say that guy was saying the praise 100 because you know what he's going to do, but you cannot stop him. You know how crazy that is. You see the player. They don't show you video as a defender. Your coach don't show you video. Show you plenty video. Say this guy is having nod. Now he just score almost all the whole set. Please go. Now yes. Now don't be still now. You know it's coming. See full up. Last. He had no touch ball. He give when I trust the assistant post net. So nothing humanly possible unless you won't foul and to be that. So that's an emphatic message and performance from Arsenal tonight's skill set. The goals, the rise, the delivery, always on the money. Gabriel, you know what he's going to do, but you cannot stop him. His goal involvements are just ridiculous. Very, very ridiculous. Now, coming to Talk Sports. On waiting Talk Sports, they talk about this game. Now, Jason Kundi, when they praise Arsenal, he said a whole lot on waiting Arsenal they do. In fact, okay, before I enter the story proper, so now Kundi never wants to hesitate in pointing out any Arsenal shortcomings. Believe we are seeing the best Ghana side in a generation. So for him, this is the best ever Ghana side. But before you make this type of claim, make them win something first. And the only thing to stop them from being claimed for saying putting them in this situation, made them win something first. That was some second half performance, wasn't it? They've been scoring all different types of goals. They are called set piece FC. But tonight, watching the different types of goals, different types of set pieces, open goals, it was just one of those performances that you just dream of as an Arsenal fan going home. Just make sure you get the 3 points. There are 4 goals in 14 minutes, they just blew away Atletico Madrid. Now, I think the invisible Arsenal team is certainly easier on the eye. The Arsenal team are workmanlike, very well organized. They get things done. They are organized, disciplined, defensively. This Arsenal team, they are a horrible team to play against, but they are efficient. They are efficient at both ends. They don't give any chances away. Get even Sports Bar co-host Jamie O'Hara, he no get any choice. I admit saying they impressed. Yes, for Jamie O'Hara to come and say they impressed, Arsenal a good thing. They look great. For him to say that, you know say he no get any choice. No be bad mouth Arsenal, he no get any choice. That's just the truth. Arsenal are so good that even those that can't stand them are being left spellbound. Now they just see what I'm all into. Those who don't really like Arsenal, don't really stand Arsenal, but they don't get choice. And they say, I want to be for, feel for. Give them the accolades. Very, very, very important. Now, take nothing away from Arsenal fans. They will tell you they are a problem. The Arsenal fans are a problem, and they will go deep in the competition again. They are my favorites to win the Premier League. Jesse Kudi was saying Arsenal are his favorites to win the Premier League. This is the best Arsenal side I've seen since they won the Premier League in 2004. Since when they had Henry, this are the best win they ever see. Now, you get one video with the trend of this guy for the Emirates Stadium after the match. This guy was saying, shouting on top of his voices, and Roberta the pass. Notice that Roberta, you changed my life. Berta won't look. He said, Berta, you changed my life. Thank you. After I watched the video, and screenshot them back and Berta look up. I said, Berta. Look up. Say, you changed my life. See that smile. That's a smile of fulfillment. A smile of a man that knows his job, that knows his onions, that has the contacts, that has the respect from players, that when he calls them, they are ready to answer. You just look up, just smile. Many a times I don't turn up for this community, Berta changed our lives. Many people don't really understand that statement. When the first signed Berta, I said, and the Berta is going to be the signing of the season. I have already seen his antecedents. When this El Cholo will beat. Then I say, Papa, I won't win the league. You go bring Suarez for us. Oh yeah, take. Suarez the power now. Confidence won't be my body say, if this man come as now, this man will finish everywhere. And not just Berta. That's why I think it was Oga Said who they talk say, don't we think Edu Gaspar has done more harm than good than the way Berta would say? I say, see, there are lots to that story. Because what if the Kroenkes don't release money for Berta? Edu Gaspar did his job. Edu Gaspar brought us from nothing to Champions League team. Life has stages. As Berta don't carry us come Champions League, he don't do his job. Now they empower rich. Another person has taken over now. From Champions League slots, top four now is a norm. At the beginning of the season, nobody will argue that Arsenal will enter top four, Arsenal will enter top four. It's a norm. Now our bet right now. The question becomes, how many things Arsenal will win? That is the new $1 billion question people will be asking at the beginning of the season. So that is where Berta comes in with his mammoth experience, buying and selling players for value. Now there the guy coming. So we are seeing the work. He's putting in the work. When it say, go buy this player, we will argue say, this one no good, say, I mean no, I get it those here. Buy this player, say, convince Ateta say, this guy, buy and buy better sense to buy this one. Ateta say, bought into the idea. We will reap the fruit of our labor now. That is very, very key. At the end of the season, we are going to take stock. That is when you understand how Berta changed our lives. Season never end. We don't see clear. How about no day? In cap, you will just buy no day. Ben White no day consistent. Odegaard no day. Yet we don't feel them. Like we don't feel them. Look at score lines. If to say people they come outside play against us, no man, Baba, people will pack 10-0 go out. But because no, they restrict our creativity. You see the show, and then they do the video. This is 39 minutes. Many things in my head. Make I know they talk for like 1 hour, 2 hours. They go. This is plenty, but that's minimize and everything 40 minutes. You don't too much because things plenty to talk. Now, Gyökeres for this match, for those who know they are aware, Gyökeres is the man of the match. So, and because they talk about the support from my teammates, it means a lot. They are amazing. I think the group we have and the spirit is something different and something very special. I'm more hungry now, even though I don't talk about this before, but I just want a reiterate. Let's not say yes, they gave him the man of the match because he did so well for himself. Now, let's bring you a message from Movie World Associates and Co Limited to the into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you call them at +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Orazi, opposite St. Cecilia's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. All right, so the biggest news of the day, let me say Thierry Henry, one of the Arsenal legends. When we talk for him, the favorites to win the Champions League are Arsenal, Bayern, and PSG. Because based on what you don't see from these three teams, now one of them will win. And I didn't get Bayern for the Emirates Stadium. That match was sweet. So with that being said, my dear Arsenal lovers, I think the prime place for us to call the show and ends. Come your way later this afternoon. I get many videos I want to react to. So videos plenty today. Get so till then, when I come your way again, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Not get mouse, right, guys? Ciao.